the Ipsy for the month of June. This is both the glam bag and the base box. They do send me this for a review purpose, and I will have timestamps down below. And if you're new here, I'd love to have you subscribe. You can hit the little red button. I do have social media down below, and let's get into it. So first up, we have the Ipsy Glam bag. The bag is super cute and it has this little zipper that says love on it. It's like a little mesh bag this month. And then the little mini size products that we have in here is first this duo liner. It's from a brand called Formula Z. It has like a dark brown and then this bronzy color on the other end. I don't know. I don't know if I'm going to keep this or not. That's why I haven't opened it, because I do have quite a few liners, especially like dark brown ones. I have the new Huda Beauty one and I really prefer that one, so I really want to donate this forward. There's quite a few products in this glam bag that I was just like, eh. Next up is the Juicy Couture Roseland Fine Fragrance Soy Candle. This is one of those tiny little soy candles, and I mean, it smells good. It's okay. I don't know how to feel about the soy candle, to be honest. I don't really burn candles anymore. I usually use wax warmers or oil diffusers, so I'm not really into candles, but I mean, it smells good. Not much to say there. Next up is by Marc Anthony, the Repair Bond Leave-In Treatment. I'm going to take this with me on my travels, but the few products that I've tried from Marc Anthony haven't wowed me, so I wasn't like pleasantly surprised to see the brand. Next up is the Micro Delivery Exfoliating Daily Face Wash from Philosophy. I do like Philosophy, so I will be giving this a shot and see if it's a good cleanser. This could also probably go into my travel bag for my summer trip. And then the last thing in here is a little lip gloss. And I can't really determine what the brand is. It just, because it's so tiny on here, but it says Sugar Daddy Boss Gloss. I don't know. The brand is Queen. I don't know. I can't really tell because it's so tiny on there. I want to say it's the Queen brand. But likewise, I will be giving this forward because I just have way too many lip products and this one just doesn't speak my name. So to be honest, the glam bag for me just did not do it this month. Let me know what your thoughts are down below. Next up, we're going to the base box, and I do have a try on for that, so if you're looking for that, the timestamp is down below. But first thing in here is the little card, and this month is Ready, Set, Play. It's permission to play and have like a vacation in summertime. I thought that was really cute. And then they have on here like true colors, like different things about like colors and what they mean. So I thought that was cute. And then the first thing in here is the Mo Beauty Flawless Coverage Cosmetic Blender Duo. I have never heard of this brand. This seems like an okay, you know, like they just seem like sponges, nothing wowing here or anything. It's nice to have them. I'm trying to open this sucker up. So these feel kind of hard. We'll see when I dampen them, but they don't feel as soft as other brands that I've tried. So I hope they don't stay that hard because I was expecting them to be a lot more softer. Next up is something that I was super excited that was in here. This is the Tres Luce Beauty. This is the Empower Me Matte Lipstick. This is in the shade Nudie Pink, and I do use this in the try-on portion. I really, really love her lipsticks. They're super comfortable. The packaging is super cute in blue, and then you have the shade of the color underneath with the name, and this is the shade, which is actually what is on my lips. Next we have the Double Dipper Color Duo from Half Caked Makeup, and I like the packaging. This kind of reminds me of this, I want to say it was like Ciate, or oh no, it was Cover FX did like a little packaging like this, so I thought that was cute. I will say that the duo in here, I don't know, I say this in the try on portion as well, I don't know if these two shades like go well together. I would have liked like a bronzer or either like a more like lighter highlighter in here. I don't know, let me know what you guys think, but there's like a pink and then there's like a bronzy highlight in there. And this is called Girls Tour. Next product that came in the box is by Il Makiage. It came in this little box right here and is called the Color Boss Squad. This is the one that's called Call the Shots. I have to say I don't really care for their packaging. As you can see there, it leaves a lot of fingerprints and that can be very annoying to make it look really presentable. Another thing is that even though the packaging has like a mirror, and I kind of wish that this wasn't as mirrory on the outside just because how dirty it looks. But this is what the quad looks like. Once it focuses, you will notice that I actually had to repress one of the eyeshadows, which is this one right here. It comes with 3 shimmers and 1 matte. And this is nice for travel, but it does, because the eyeshadows are so soft, they can break really easily. So that's something to watch out for. I do like their formula, but I have to say I have another quad from them and I was surprised at how similar they are. I'm going to put them side by side. This is the one that I just got, Call the Shots, and this one is the Real Deal down here. And literally you get the same matte brown and then the same highlight shade. They're very, very similar in tone. So 2 of the 4 shades look very identical in the quad, so that kind of surprised me. I don't know if it's like, you know, meant to be that way, but I was really, really surprised at how similar they were. Literally only 2 shades differentiate the quads. But their formula is really, really great. It's very blendable, like that very creamy, almost like very creamy matte. And these shimmers are gorgeous and are very, very pigmented as well. So overall, Il Makiage does have really, really great quality shadows. I was very surprised and pleasantly surprised by the eyeshadows. But the packaging, these fingerprints, look at that. It just looks so dirty. I don't mind the metal of it because it's like nice and weighted, but the fingerprints kill me. And another thing that I was kind of disappointed was that the eyeshadow palette had no bubble wrap whatsoever. And as soon as I saw just like the box in there just like floating around, I was kind of scared when I saw that it was an eyeshadow palette. I was like, ah, crap. Watch it be broken, and when I opened it, it was. Last product in here is the Origins Checks and Balances Frothy Face Wash. I absolutely love Origins. Their skincare is absolutely amazing. One of my favorite brands, or not like brands, but like variety from them is their whole ginseng line that comes in the orange packaging. Love, 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 highly recommend. I haven't tried anything aside from the ginseng, and so this will be my first time trying something else, but they are really, really a great brand. And this one has wheat protein, broadleaf kelp. It's supposed to just leave your skin feeling comfortably clean, refreshed, and balanced. So excited for this. This was like a winner from this month's box. Now we're gonna jump into this tutorial. It's a really simple, quick tutorial. For the try on portion, we are going to jump right into the palette, and I only have 1 matte to work with and 3 shimmers. So we're just going to do something very, very simple. I'm going to go in with the only matte, which is this gorgeous brown, and apply this. I'm thinking just like on the outer portion of my crease. These shadows are super blendable and just really beautiful on. But I do feel that a lot of the colors replicate themselves in these Il Makiage palettes, and I'll show you guys that probably at the beginning of this video when I'm going through each one of the products, because I do have a quad from them and I can't even tell you guys how similar it is to this one. Okay, for my all over lid shade, I'm going to go in with this one. It's like a beautiful taupe color. And like I said, the quality of these are amazing. They are pricey though. From what I remember seeing, they're pretty pricey. And then for the inner part of the lid, I'm gonna go in with the gold. Same thing, just with my finger. I feel like these apply so much more creamier and pigmented with my finger. Next, I'm going to go in with the shade that was shattered, which is this one right here, and I'm going to apply that as the inner corner. And just to smoke out the under eye, I'm going to use the same matte and go under and smoke it out. Just something super simple. This palette is very neutral. You could use like this with just one of the shades, or you can combine this with another palette. Next, we're going to jump into the Half Caked Double Dipper. This is a color duo for the cheeks. I have bronzer on my cheek, but decided to leave some room for this baby right here. This is a pinky tone. I'm just going to go in lightly and see how this applies. Very beautiful. It reminds me kind of my strawberry shortcake kind of pink on the cheeks. I will have to say that I don't feel like this highlight kind of goes with this, but we're just gonna go with it and see how they blend together. So this is like very dark. I would use this more on top of a bronzer, but let's see how this looks. I don't know if this combination, like, I like it. I feel like this is like too dark of a highlight for this. Like, I would like this with like a bronzier shade. I don't know. Let me know what you guys think, but they're beautiful. I don't think like I would pair these together though. And then before I do everything else off camera, we're going to use the Tres Luce Empower Me. This is a nudie pink. I have tried this formula and really enjoy it. I love the bullet on here before I destroy it with my lips, but look how cute the little T for Tres Luce. This one looks like a very gorgeous like wearable nude. This color is like a beautiful everyday pinky nude color. I love this formula. It's super comfortable on the lips. Really happy that this came in here. So let me go ahead and finish off my face and show you guys the finished look. And here is the finished look. I really like the look, the way it all came together. Let me know what your thoughts are down below. I have to say I was disappointed with the glam bag. It's just like not my vibe this month. I don't know, it just hasn't lately been like really calling my name. On the other hand, the base box I feel like is pretty good. It's not the greatest. I wasn't like super excited, but I feel like they did a really good job as far as like mixing brands. I do like the Il Makiage formula when it comes to eyeshadow. The Tres Luce for me was a winner, and so was the Origins. I do like Half Caked, even though the shades in here are kind of like, I don't know, the pairing in here was a little iffy, but I was still able to make it work. So overall, I feel like the base box was good. The glam bag, not so great. Let me know what your thoughts are down below. What were your choices this month? I'd love to hear from you as always down below. Like if this was helpful, leave me your comments. You can follow me on my social media down below, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye guys.